Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing really well. Thank you so much for the love on the last few of my videos. Your comments are really just making my day and I love hearing from you all. As you already know, some of you might already know, I work in collaboration with Moulds and Shapes over in the Netherlands, and they regularly send me some molds to show you guys and use on my channel, and they've just sent me a brand new package and I'm so excited. I've never done an unboxing on my channel before. I usually just kind of rip it open in excitement and then just crack on with some videos, but I thought this time I would show you exactly what they've sent me and what will be coming up in future videos, and also the products that they sell, so then you guys can also check them out. Now, if you are interested in anything you see here in this video, I do have 5% discount off for you. 5% discount? What grammar is that? I do have 5% off with Moulds and Shapes using my code CCC5, which I will put here on the screen for you, and I will also link Moulds and Shapes down in the description box below. But this is huge. Okay, this is so heavy, and there's more on the back. Oh gosh, they look exciting. Okay, we're gonna get to opening and I'll show you what they've sent me. The first mold they have sent me is another coaster set mold, and I do believe this is the Tetris mold. So you can see here, I'm going to take it out of the cellophane actually to show you clearer. Right, this is the mold up close. It actually does look like Tetris. Does anyone remember that game? Oh my gosh, I was not very good at it. But yeah, this is the Tetris mold. I already know what I'm going to do with this, and I already know I'm going to be using some chameleon powders because I think that will look absolutely incredible. There's so many different cut angles, and I think if I use chameleon powder, it's really going to work because the light will reflect off of all of those angles. Love it, love it. I have no idea what this is, so we're gonna find out together. I've got a feeling it's like a tray mold. I do believe this is the crushed ice design. Look at that. It really does look like crushed ice as well. And again, straight away, I know what I'm going to do with this. It has to be transparent, doesn't it? So we can see those fascinating crushed ice. Oh my gosh, yeah, I'm excited. I'm so excited. Feels like Christmas. Okay, the next mold up. This is such a cool mold. I've not seen anything like it before. This is a flower holder mold. Okay, so if you've got a vase for your flowers, you basically create this mold. This sits on top of your vase, and all of these holes are where you can put your flowers into your vase, so they're not all choked together in that space. Okay, this is a close-up of the mold, super shiny, and because this is designed to hold your flowers separately in your vase, I know what I'm going to do with this already. I'm going to go botanical. I've already got some pressed flowers ready, and I am excited. In fact, I've got right next to me, not planned, some pressed leaves from my garden, which I will be using with this. Next up, I know what it is. They've written on the side. Oh, did you guys write on the side of them all? I'm so sorry if I missed that, but they've written on the side Kintsugi. I have already seen Petra use these, and I adore them. I am excited to try them, so I'm going to show you guys as well. If you haven't checked out Petra's channel, I'm going to link her down below. She's already used the Kintsugi molds quite a few times and stunning results, and I already know how I want to use them, so yeah, it's all in my head. So this is the Kintsugi coaster mold holder for your coasters, which is something I love about Moulds and Shapes. If you buy a coaster set, then you can buy the matching coaster holder. Once you've done it all, you can put this together as well. This is absolutely stunning, and I cannot wait to try this. A lot of their molds come wrapped in this paper. Now, if you can keep hold of the paper, it's really handy. It's got like a waxy, shiny, waxy finish on it, and that will just protect your molds. So when it comes to putting this back in my mold drawer, I will simply put it back in like this, and this waxy paper will protect it. Okay, here is the Kintsugi mold. Oh, look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to use it. I cannot wait. Okay, I'm getting too excited. Take a deep breath. have a cup of tea. Okay, this is absolutely beautiful. Are we ready? Look at the size of this. This is 1, 2, 3 and a bit hands across. This is huge. So the mold itself is about 1 centimetre deep, but the Tetris design takes up half of that. So yeah, it's not going to take an absolute gallon of resin, but oh my goodness me, I really want to try these with Jesmonite as well, and just to see what it looks like with the Jesmonite. Okay, we can both see it together. I don't know what this is. Are you ready? Oh, molds and shapes, guys. It is the giant Kintsugi tray mold. Oh, this is, it's just simply stunning. It's absolutely stunning, really is. I would say that's just shy of 1 centimetre deep, and these raised ridges are the cracks in your piece that have been sealed. And yeah, wow, what a selection, molds and shapes. Thank you so much, guys. If you are interested in anything you've seen here today, then please do check them out using my code CCC5 for your 5% off. Now go to the website, because this is just a tiny this is a tiny tip of the iceberg as to what they've actually got on offer on their website. There is so much more than what you're seeing here today in this video, but I am really looking forward to trying all of these molds. The first one of which is going to be this flower arranger, flower organizer, flower separator. I'm not entirely sure what the actual term is, but you guys can call it whatever you want. For my vase, I have a vase downstairs, and this means I get to buy myself flowers. I'm gonna get some flowers and I'm gonna get this made, and I'm really looking forward to seeing that. That will be an upcoming video in the next few days, so keep your eyes peeled. And thank you so much for watching. If you found this interesting, then absolutely go ahead, leave me a comment down below, thumbs up, and head on over to Molds and Shapes and check them out for yourselves. You will not be disappointed. Just stunning quality. So yeah, go check them out, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.